Hacienda Del Rio is a 146-unit elderly Section 8 property located here in Phoenix. It's designated for elderly and disabled over the age of 62.
When we got notice that Related was going to come to the Arizona IDA with a rehabilitation project, our entire organization was very excited to see that we were going to have units that are affordable for low-income seniors be preserved.
We acquired the property in early 2024. We had a great team behind us that we were able to move through this renovation quickly.
I never dreamed for the world that this much work would be put into my apartment, not to mention all the others that are here.
We did flooring, we did painting, we did new appliances, cabinetry. We came up with the idea to install a new walking path that wraps around the entirety of the property. We're installing artwork throughout the walkway, artwork in the buildings, and really just how can we do more for the residents.
When I do sculptures, I place them and I want people to look at them and just maybe ponder, maybe a little question mark, what is this? Sometimes they can say, it looks kind of plant-like to me, or it looks very indigenous to the desert. For this particular place, I think that really works.
It was transformed and it became a home. And for someone like myself at my age, to have a home again is beyond words. How can you not be happy that you were treated so special?
It's just been a complete privilege to work on this project and get to make a difference in the community.
It's been great working with Related. They're very communicative and they have been a great partner in making sure that affordable housing projects like this become a reality.
You're going to come here and you're going to thrive, you're going to blossom, you're going to learn, you're going to experience life and to the fullest.